Jai Hind student, welcome to English class. Now students, today we will do a language lab activity. Okay, so in this we will be discussing the meaning of some of the phrases. Okay, I will not say word because they are the group of the words. So these words uh, uh, sometimes when you study any chapter, so there is a phrases are there and they have a specific meaning. Okay, so that we are going to discuss in context with the chapter, that is the final frontier. That is the name of the chapter is the children ran forward. Okay, so the first one is glittering cracks. Now glittering cracks means होता है a steep rugged mass of wood projecting upward. So it's a mass of rock, okay, that is projecting upward. That is known as glittering cracks. Now next is a mirror image. So a mirror image means the image identical, okay, identical in form of other, means बिल्कुल similar होना, okay, that is known as mirror image. Next is the open expanse, wide and open extent of land or sky or water. So a large area you can say, बिल्कुल खुला हुआ जिसको हम बोलते हैं, okay, that is an open expanse. Promising looking, something that appear to hold hope. Okay, promising means something means in future. Okay, so there is a possibility of something, so something that appear to hold hope. Now next is minimum needs, the basic requirement that must be met for it is everyone. Okay, that is must for survival, sorry. So the basic requirement is the basic requirement that must be met for survival, that is the minimum need. ठीक है, कम से कम उतना रिक्वायरमेंट हो जो कि हमें सर्वाइवल के लिए ज़रूरत है. लिफ्ट ऑफ, द वर्टिकल टेक ऑफ अ स्पेस क्राफ्ट फ्रॉम लोअर टू हायर पोजीशन. ठीक है, नीचे से ऊपर जाना. Mark the place, note the piece, so that you can go back to it. Okay, sorry, note the place. Okay, so you just noted down the place. Mark means अपने markings छोड़ means कहीं आप गए हो तो आपने कुछ mark बना दिया, so that when you are returning back तो आप उस space पे वापस आ जाओ. Next is commonplace book, that is nothing unusual or unique, a common type book. ठीक है, nothing special about it. Loomed up, loomed up means होता है to appear, to rise up from so men from so men here. Okay, to appear, to rise up from so men here. Okay, loomed up. Now next आते हैं. Okay, now the next is suspense. Suspense means होता है expectation or uncertainty. Okay, next is calculator program. Calculator program means a computer program that can perform basic calculation. So that is clear to you. Now next is magnetic field. So it is a region. It is a region. So just wait. Yes, it is a region where magnetic material which experience फोर्स ऑफ मैग्नेटिज्म. ठीक है, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड वो रीजन जहाँ तक मैग्नेटिक लाइंस जो हैं, मींस यू मस्ट हैव स्टडीड इन फिजिक्स कि मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जो होती है वो एक पर्टिकुलर रीजन तक होती है, तो उसके अंदर जो भी मटेरियल आएगा that material will experience force of magnetism. Next is gravity, that is attraction of the mass of the earth etc for bodies near its surface. Next is swapped. Swapped means to exchange or trade as one something for another. ठीक है, exchange करना. Next, pod like, resembling pod which is detachable. Okay, which can be detached. Light headed, feeling slightly ill, fainted or dizzy. एकदम से चक्कर आना या dizziness होना, that is known as light headed. Next is runnel, a small stream of a particular what is this run a small stream of a particular that I'm not finding it, what it is. Okay, just leave it. I will let you know. Next is a specimen, example of particular type or thing. Next is symmetrical, having two halves that match each other. मीन्स बिल्कुल सिमिलर, दो हाफ अगर हम किसी चीज़ के कर दें तो हम बोलेंगे सिमेट्रिकल है व्हेन द लेफ्ट हाफ इज इक्वल टू इज रिजेंबल्स द राइट हाफ. नेक्स्ट इज इन्वर्टेड, टू पुट इन द ऑपोजिट order or position. Next is marcasite, that is semi-precious stone, something of iron pyrite. Okay, semi-precious stone that is of iron pyrite. Okay, so these are the few words and we have discussed the meaning, words and phrases. Okay, so hope you all have understood. Thank you everyone.